Hey guys, this is the Pilates application that I am using to offer an affordable and accessible way to do Pilates anywhere at any time. It includes videos of some exercise previews so you know what you're doing. Everything is easily swipeable and all in one place. That way you already can look through all the movements and then go into exercising, marking it complete when you're done. And then that just sends me a notification that you've completed it for the day. There will include rest days and foam rolling days. And then you can always look back at your previous workouts. You can send me a message in the app and check your account settings all in one place.